Welcome to Studio Video, folks. I'm your friendly host, James Thomas. This is where I typically introduce you to fashion models and photographers. I demonstrate how I draw their charcoal portraits, then hopefully set some dope art on your walls. But not today. Today, we're going to give a little bit of love back. I'll be showcasing one of my most recent commissions, which got me thinking about how these videos are interacting with you viewers. What if I offered a free portrait to every 50th subscriber? So keep subbing, encourage others to subscribe as well. And this spring and summer, I'll be showcasing a free portrait right here on this channel to every 50th subscriber. Alright, here's our model, Pixel, a black lab out of northern Cincinnati who spends her time taunting her other dog brother, Nugget. Pixel loves to eat poop. I asked the owner for a fun fact about the dog, and that's what they gave me. Alright, well, Pixel's owner wanted to continue their portrait hallway in their house, with this fur baby right next to their other baby. Oh baby. Well, viewers, if doing something like this is interesting, please follow this link up here or down below in the description to help get you started with your one-of-a-kind, unique charcoal drawing. Well, gang, let's see how this turns out. Boom! Here's Pixel looking perfect. Pixel perfect. Viewers, let me know in the description below what you think. Please like and subscribe for more continual content, and until next time, sketch you later.